Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shakhat Hussain. My ID is 191471000. So today I will discuss about rivet and bolt. So first we have to know what is rivet. A rivet is a mechanical fastener for making a permanent joint between two or more metal sheets. If we see the picture of this slide, here the another definition of rivet, and the definition is a rivet is a round rod of circular cross section. It consists of two parts, head and shank. Here the head and here the tail, and the middle is called shank. Metal commonly used for rivet are mild steel, iron, copper, and aluminium alloys, etc. Now we will discuss some important laws about rivet and bolt. So first thing is shearing failure of rivet. Here the slide shows two single plate. Here the slide shows the two single plate where both plate are connected by a rivet. But the thing is happen here, failure of rivet. So shearing failure of rivet is equal to shear capacity of bolt into pi d square divided 4. This slide shows tensile failure of plate. Here the two steel plate is disconnected from the rivet. Here P means total dimension and DH means diameter of hole. So tensile failure of plate is equal to tensile capacity of plate into P minus dAs into T. T means thickness. In the same way, bearing failure of plate is equal to bearing capacity of plate into dB into T. And the last slide shows bearing failure of rivet. So the bearing failure of rivet is equal to bearing capacity of bolt into dB into T. And that's all about myself. Thank you very much.